So yeah, in order to register a free domain for your project, or you just want to have something custom to give it an identity, we'll go to freenome.com, and I have already went ahead and signed into my account. And what you basically do is if you go under services and click on register a new domain, and I believe they offer 5 to 6 top level domains like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq, which you can register for free up to 12 months. So I'll just go ahead and type in Reshub in cloud, and we'll go ahead and check the availability, and you can see that 5 top level domain names that are free are basically TK, ML, GA, CF, and GQ. You won't get .com or .net for free, but it's still something custom rather than having those .netlify or Vercel. Wherever you host your project, this gives your project a bit of custom identity. Looks good. So yeah, go ahead and click on get it now and go to the checkout page, and you can like set up the DNS however you want. So you can forward this to, I don't know, maybe AWS, Google, or Cloudflare. So yeah. And one other thing I would like to point out is by default it is selected to 3 months for the period on the domain. So you might want to go ahead and click on 12 months and then hit continue. And you can also renew, like just like every other domain, for free. And yeah, just go ahead and click on complete order, and yeah, it would say it's logging your current IP address for security reasons. And yeah, if we go under my domains, you can see that we do have reshubincloud.tk, which we registered just now and is valid until next year. And if we click on manage domain, you can see we can use custom name servers, as I said, if you want to move this to like AWS Route 53 or Cloudflare. And you can also set up the forwarding rules here, and you can also manage the Freenome DNS if you don't want to move it to any other domain registrars. So you could add a CNAME, MX, TXT records here in order to use the domain. So yeah, that was about this video, and hopefully you guys utilize this to get your project's identity through custom domains. Thank you.